In this video, I'll show you how you can change the Instagram notification sound on your Samsung Galaxy S26. All you have to do is go to Settings, and then within the settings, scroll down and find Notifications section and tap on it. And then scroll down to the bottom, tap on Advanced Settings, and then scroll down and find this Manage Notification Categories for each app and ensure that this option has been enabled. Now, once that option has been enabled, simply go back to the settings and then scroll down and select apps. And then within the apps, find the Instagram application and then tap on it and then tap on the notifications. Now within the notifications, scroll down and find the notification categories, tap on it, and then from here you can change the sound for different categories. So let's say, for instance, if you want to change the sound for your messages, simply tap on the messages and now scroll down and you should see the sound option. Tap on it, and from here browse through the available notification sounds and choose the one that you prefer. So select the one that you'd like to use and you should hear a preview of how it sounds. So tap the one that you'd like to use, and once you're done, you can exit the settings and the changes will be applied. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you on the next one.